Discover how to automate your Shopify customer support in real time, demonstrating how an AI chatbot responds live to typical customer inquiries. See how easily it can handle common questions, ensuring prompt assistance for your shoppers without manual intervention. This feature addresses the constant need for dependable, accurate customer assistance for your online store. We'll ask real questions to see how the AI handles customer support inquiries directly. The chat interface in the corner is the entire support solution we will explore. Let's begin by understanding the foundational capabilities of AI in customer service and how it streamlines your support interactions. Here's the response. Instantly resolve customer queries 24/7, freeing up your agents. AI delivers multilingual support and consistent brand messaging. It even boosts conversions by proactively engaging shoppers and handling tasks like lead collection. A common area for customer inquiry revolves around order fulfillment, so let's see if our AI is equipped to handle shipping-related questions. Let's see what it says. Absolutely. An AI assistant excels at shipping inquiries, offering instant, accurate details about rates and delivery times. It can confirm international availability and even track specific orders when integrated. This frees up your team and keeps customers informed. As we continue exploring, notice how the chat panel remains accessible with every page view. Beyond shipping, understanding your store's policy on returns is crucial for customer satisfaction, and our AI can address this too. The answer has appeared. Your AI chatbot readily handles all return inquiries. Just upload your policy or link your existing page. It can then answer specific questions about return windows, processes, and refund methods instantly. Complex issues can even be escalated to your support team. Building your customer base is vital, so let's explore if the AI can proactively engage with users to capture valuable contact information. Take a look at this. Capturing customer emails is simple with Asyntai's built-in leads feature. An optional email field appears naturally in the chat, and any email entered is automatically saved. You can easily export these leads as a CSV for your CRM and marketing efforts. This valuable feature is available on our Starter, Standard, and Pro plans. Each reply provided has been carefully crafted from your specific business content. Finally, to help you assess the value proposition, we'll ask the AI about its pricing structure for the Asyntai platform. Here's the information. Asyntai offers flexible plans to fit your needs, starting with a free option. Our paid monthly plans range from Starter at $39 to Standard at $139 and Pro at $449, each with increasing message limits and advanced features. Upgrade to annual billing for a 10% discount. See how Asyntai can help automate your customer support. Try it free today at asyntai.com with no credit card required. Get instant answers for your customers.